Lakshmikant,
Yes, sir. Can I hear? Uh,
yeah, yeah, I can hear you. So I see you have
yes.
made it for 2 pages. Better you try to save space and make it in one page if you can. So you have written research paper
Okay,
also.
sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. On
Let's,
the projects.
let's start with the top. Okay. This should be highlighted, the education part. Okay. This this type of big bracket commas are not needed. You can make it in one line only, BTech, comma CGPA. Okay.
Yes.
You have mentioned BTech twice. Here also.
Yes.
That's not correct. Just mention 12th. Disha Science College, 12th, 81%. Okay. So correct it and save
Yes.
some space here. Uh, this is good. I think you should use a different font. It is taking so much spreaded space, is what I can see. Your career objective should come before your education. Okay. Highlight the company name.
Okay, sir.
Don't use this kind of numbering. Use bullet pointers. Okay. It is not on place, it is on site. Don't mention exact date, just mention December 24 to June 25. Again, highlight this.
Okay.
Here, make
Yes,
it a
sir.
bullet point and write something. Okay. Okay, so this is one page. So after internship, mention your projects, then mention your skill. Okay. And then
Yes, sir.
uh, you have mentioned 4 project. I believe you are good at all the 4. If not, then remove some.
Yes.
Otherwise, there will be questions on this. And then, are they published papers or are they just? Huh?
Yes, sir. Are
So you have to
publish.
mention which
Yes,
journal
sir.
they got published.
Okay.
Mention the journal name as well. Okay, and then
Yes.
mention your achievement also. This can be your achievement also that you have published research papers.
Sir, I want to ask one question, sir.
Yeah.
Is the GATE score is affect to my selection?
No, it is common that engineering student give GATE exams. So that is to check your competency, right? How much you can score in GATE. But then you have to justify
Yes.
that you will not go for MTech, but you will go for
Higher
job.
study, yes.
Yeah, right. So that is something you have to justify. If you can justify that, then no problem. But you have written research paper also, and it is usually MTech students go for research. So
Yes.
you should be very clear
Can
to.
I
Uh,
cut the research paper part?
no, if you are good, then I think you should mention, because so far out of many resume, you are the first candidate with research paper. Usually, people in good colleges like IITs and others go for research. So you are the first candidate who has done some research work, and that should go in your favor. Okay, clear, Mr. Lakshmikant.
Yes, sir.
Which
Got it, sir.
so you are from which state?
From Nagpur, state Maharashtra, sir.
Maharashtra. Okay. All
From
right.
Nagpur. Yes.
Yeah.